Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? What secrets do those twinkling lights hold? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. We're about to count down the 10 biggest discoveries that completely reshaped our understanding of the universe. From worlds beyond our solar system to the very beginning of time itself, these are the moments that changed everything. Stick around because number one might just change the way you see reality forever. Kicking things off at number 10, we have the discovery of exoplanets. For centuries, we wondered if we were alone. Were there other planets orbiting other stars? In 1995, astronomers Didier Queloz and Michel Mayor confirmed the first exoplanet, 51 Pegasi b. This wasn't just a discovery, it was a revelation. It opened the floodgates. Today, thanks to missions like the Kepler Space Telescope, we found thousands of these distant worlds. Hot Jupiters, super-Earths, and even potentially habitable planets in the Goldilocks zone, where liquid water could exist. The universe suddenly felt a lot more crowded, and the search for extraterrestrial life became a tangible scientific pursuit. Coming in at number 9 is the discovery of dark matter. In the 1930s, astronomer Fritz Zwicky noticed something odd. Galaxies in the Coma cluster were spinning so fast they should have flown apart. There just wasn't enough visible matter to hold them together with gravity. He proposed there must be some invisible dark matter providing the extra gravitational pull. For decades, his idea was largely ignored. But then, in the 1970s, Vera Rubin's observations of individual galaxies confirmed it. There is an invisible halo of matter surrounding galaxies, making up about 27% of the entire universe. We still don't know what it is, but we know it's there, silently shaping the cosmos. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern physics. At number 8, let's talk about gravitational waves. Albert Einstein predicted them in his theory of general relativity way back in 1916. He described them as ripples in the fabric of space-time, created by the most violent cosmic events, like colliding black holes. But they were so faint, even Einstein thought we'd never be able to detect them. Fast forward 100 years to 2015, the LIGO experiment, using incredibly precise laser instruments, detected the first gravitational wave. It was a faint chirp that had traveled for over 1 billion years from the merger of two massive black holes. This discovery didn't just prove Einstein right. It gave us a brand new way to observe the universe. It's like we've been watching a silent movie and someone just turned on the sound. Our number 7 discovery is a big one: black holes. The idea has been around for centuries, but they were purely theoretical, a mathematical curiosity in Einstein's equations. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But how do you prove something exists if you can't see it? Scientists found them by observing their effects on nearby stars and gas, which swirl around the black hole, heating up and emitting X-rays. Then, in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration did the impossible. They captured the first ever direct image of a black hole's shadow, a supermassive one at the heart of the M87 galaxy. A glowing cosmic donut 55 million light years away, proving these cosmic monsters are very, very real. Halfway through our list at number 6, we have the Cosmic Microwave Background, or CMB. This is a game changer. In 1965, two radio astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, were trying to get rid of a persistent hiss in their antenna. They tried everything, even cleaning out pigeon droppings. But the noise wouldn't go away. It was coming from every direction in the sky, day and night. What they had accidentally stumbled upon was the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. This faint radiation is the oldest light in the universe, a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just 380,000 years old. It's the ultimate baby picture of our universe, and the strongest evidence we have for the Big Bang theory. Sailing into the number 5 spot is the discovery of neutron stars and pulsars. In 1967, a graduate student named Jocelyn Bell Bernal noticed a strange repeating signal in her data. It was a pulse that repeated with incredible regularity every 1.33 seconds. At first, the team half-jokingly labeled it L or GM1 for Little Green Men, because they couldn't explain it. But they soon realized they had found something incredible, a pulsar. These are rapidly spinning neutron stars. The ultra-dense, collapsed cores left behind after a massive star goes supernova. They are like cosmic lighthouses, sweeping a beam of radiation across the galaxy. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Their discovery opened up a whole new field of extreme physics. At number 4, we have the Hubble Deep Fields. In 1995, astronomers pointed the Hubble Space Telescope at a tiny, seemingly empty patch of sky for 10 consecutive days. The spot was so small, it was like looking at a grain of sand held at arm's length. What came back was staggering. The image, known as the Hubble Deep Field, wasn't empty at all. It was filled with over 3,000 galaxies. Galaxies of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some of them so distant their light had been traveling for billions of years to reach us. It was a profound look back in time. This experiment has been repeated several times, each one peering deeper into the cosmic dawn, revealing that the universe is far vaster and more populated than we ever imagined. Entering our top 3, at number 3 is the accelerating expansion of the universe. For most of the 20th century, astronomers debated the fate of the universe. Would gravity eventually halt its expansion and cause it to collapse in a big crunch? In 1998, 2 separate teams of astronomers were studying distant supernova to measure the rate of expansion. They expected to see the expansion slowing down. Instead, they found the exact opposite. The expansion of the universe is speeding up. Something is pushing everything apart. They named this mysterious force dark energy. It's thought to make up about 68% of the universe. But just like dark matter, we have no idea what it is. This discovery completely upended cosmology and earned its leaders the Nobel Prize. The ultimate fate of our universe remains one of science's greatest unsolved puzzles. Our runner-up, the second biggest discovery in space, is the confirmation of the Big Bang Theory. This isn't a single discovery, but a culmination of evidence. It started in the 1920s with Edwin Hubble. He observed that distant galaxies are all moving away from us, and the farther away they are, the faster they're moving. This meant the universe is expanding. If you run the clock backward, it implies everything must have started from a single, incredibly hot, dense point. This idea was supported by the discovery of the cosmic microwave background we mentioned earlier, and by the observed abundance of light elements like hydrogen and helium in the universe, which perfectly matches the predictions of what would be forged in the first few minutes after the Big Bang. It's our best scientific story of creation. And now, the number 1 biggest, most profound discovery in the history of space exploration. It's not about finding a new planet or a new force. It's a change in perspective. It's the Copernican revolution. For millennia, humanity believed that Earth was the center of the universe. Everything, the sun, the moon, the planets, the stars revolved around us. It was a comfortable, human-centric view. Then, in the 16th century, Nicolaus Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model, placing the sun at the center. This idea was radical, revolutionary, and fiercely opposed. But through the work of Galileo, Johannes Kepler, and later Isaac Newton, the evidence became undeniable. This wasn't just an astronomical shift. It was a philosophical one. We were not the center of everything. We are on a small planet, orbiting an average star, in a quiet corner of one of billions of galaxies. It was the ultimate demotion, but also the ultimate liberation. It opened our eyes to the true scale and majesty of the cosmos, and set the stage for every other discovery on this list. It taught us to question everything and to follow the evidence, no matter where it leads. From a simple shift in perspective to the discovery of invisible forces and ancient light, our journey through the cosmos is a testament to human curiosity. What do you think is the biggest discovery? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more adventures into the unknown.